Good morning. My name is Sam, and I'm doing this solo programming for my Python. This is my chapter two. So our first classwork example in our chapter two. Here we are trying to show how variables work in Python, and here we created a variable called message, and then we print the value of the variable message. We then print it out, and then we change the value of the same variable to a new message, and we then print it again. And this is just demonstrating that variables can be updated and reused in Python coding. And Python we always like print the current value of the variable that is stored. And in our second classwork under our chapter two, yeah, we are just trying to like explain several basic string in Python, and yeah, we are changing the text style in number two. And in the line two of our code here, first we create the variable name and we give it this small king grab. Then when we want to print, and we use the Python feature dot title. So when we print the variable name dot title, it's capitalized each word, like change all the letters to capital letter. If we use the feature print name dot upper, which is print name our variable dot upper, it makes all the letters in our word, it makes it all capital letter. All the letters in the variable is stored, which is smoking grab, it makes it all capital letter. When we use the feature name dot lower, it prints all the word, it makes all the letters lowercase, which is small letters. Yeah. And we use the f string here. And in our next sample, we use the f string to insert names into a sentence neatly. And yeah, we use the print n feature to add a new line. And we use the t feature, the /t feature is for indentation tab, to add a tab when writing your code. And what else? Yeah, I'll explain this feature too. Yeah, the else strip feature, yeah, where we see our print favorite language else strip. The else strip feature does remove spaces from the left. When we want to remove extra spaces from the left, we use our else strip method. And the dot strip method, I think we also have the dot strip method here. The dot strip method removes space from both sides. So when we need to remove space from both sides of our letter or word or variable or value of the variable we stored, when we use the dot strip, it removes spaces from both sides of the value or the word. Yeah, and I think that's all about our number two example. So we go on to our number three exercise. So this year, this we basically talking about basic math and numbers in Python. Normally we know the plus sign is additional sign and the minus is the subtraction, while the // is the division and the asterisk sign is the multiplication sign. Yeah, I think I already explained this print /n in my previous exercise. That is to print this code in a new line. Yeah. And this I forgot to explain this. The double multiplication mark means powers, like raised to power, yeah, of the exact value. So this is self-explanatory. It's just like we use multiplication sign, we use the division sign, we use the subtraction and the addition sign. Yeah, so this in this number line 28 of our code, where we have the variable universal age is equals to 14 billion. So we use underscore to make big numbers to be easier to read instead of commas. So the underscores between the zeros is just to make the number readable. Yeah. So that is all for our chapter 2.